मैं निकालता हूँ, आप बात करते जाइए, मैं निकालता हूँ, मेरे पास है। सरप्राइज नहीं हो सकता, नॉट सरप्राइज। सबसे पहले तो सर पवन श्री गणेश का नाम लेकर इसका शुभारंभ करेंगे। कश्मीरी मुस्लिम डॉक्टर से
Track looks weak. I have to fill it up
और
and
ये जो
resolder
समझ रहे हैं कि
these
पहले
two,
जब अनपढ़ थे तो
these
पत्थरबाज
three
थे,
wires.
अब पढ़ लिख के तो बमबाज बन गए।
This
पहले अनपढ़
reinforced
थे तो
track
पत्थरबाज से, पढ़ लिख
is
के तो
weak.
बमबाज बन गए।
If you look closely, there are some kind of dry solder points in this track that was causing this stabilizer to restart. So I am going to resolder this track. Some ridges and valleys are there here. This is the TV stabilizer from Nextron, supporting a TV and a set-top box. That means around some 200 watt or something, 200 or 300 watt. So I bought two of them from Amazon. They are still under warranty. They give some 3-year or 1-year warranty. One is here, other one is here. So what was happening is, after the return window closed, that means around 10 days, this will randomly start restarting, and then it would happen once in 2 days. When the problem escalated, and every day it would restart, and then after that every 10 minutes it would restart. I opened this up because I did not know how to claim warranty, and they didn't have anything nearby warranty center. And since it costs around 1200 Indian rupees only, so I checked the circuit. The transformer and board are good, but the components in board is also looking good. It is like 2 relay TV stabilizer board working on 12 volt. Components and all checked. That means resistor, capacitors, all that. They look good. Relay also. Then I suspected this dry solder might be there. These solders look good, but here one connection is there between the two relays, which I showed in the beginning. This connection between the two relay. Now I have put some more solder in there, and in the ends they have to be soldered well. This track has been thickened, and means reinforcement has been increased, and make sure no other shorts come in. Okay, so this connection had some thin layer of reinforcement, that is solder, and there were some ridges also in that ridge, so maybe dry soldering might have come there. Then these wires, this one, this is mains. These two comes from transformer. These three are also from transformer, but it is unused, isolated and kept away. These two, then these two come from the transformer to power this board. So this one, and these three I removed, cut the tip, and then resoldered it properly. After doing that, this board, this stabilizer was working properly, and this one also had problem. So I hope this one also will be done okay. This one is this stabilizer is available in Amazon, India. So if you are facing this kind of problem, this kind of troubleshooting you can do instead of claiming warranty. The issue was that when you connect the load, and even if you put just 10 watt load, or 10 or 12 watt bulb, LED bulb as load, it will restart after every 5 minutes in the worst case. So not fixed interval. So for that, main thing is I suspect is this one. This track you have to reinforce like I have done here. Need not apply so much of solder. And then these wires you cut it and again resolder it. Yeah, if there is any problem, I'll tell you.